Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix TikTok not loading on Android. So let's get straight into the video. First, we're going to be starting with clearing cache and data. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your settings. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and search for the app settings right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and look for your TikTok application. Once you find your TikTok application, simply tap on that, and then you want to scroll down and tap on storage. Finally, tap on clear cache on the bottom right of your screen, and this should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, try to check your internet connection as well. Try to switch from your Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to ensure a stable internet connection. If none of those work, then try to update or reinstall the application. Simply go to your Play Store, tap on search, tap on your search bar one more time, and simply search for TikTok. Finally, tap on the application, and if there is any updates, there will be a blue update button right over there. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.